Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Secure evidence and official statements. Collect your boarding pass, e-ticket, baggage tags, and any receipts immediately. Photograph damaged luggage or delay boards. Ask staff for a written delay or cancellation confirmation and file a PIR for lost or damaged bags because that paperwork is the basis of every claim. While still at the desk, record names and reference numbers. This short proactive step prevents disputes later and lets you file accurately with the airline without guesswork. Once you have evidence, file through the airline's official claim portal. Don't email random inboxes. Fill the form with precise dates, flight numbers, bank details for reimbursement, and list exact out-of-pocket expenses with scanned receipts. Explain the impact briefly and request a specific compensation amount based on rules or law. This speeds resolution. Make sure you submit within the airline's published deadline. Then save the claim reference and a screenshot of confirmation so you can track responses and escalate if when the airline replies, decide quickly. Accept a fair offer or lodge a formal appeal citing policy and your evidence. If they deny or ignore you past their response window, escalate. Use your credit card chargeback for paid services or file in small claims court with the same documentation. Make sure you keep every email, timestamp, and proof of postage. If things still go wrong, contact your national enforcement body or a consumer rights organization. They can prompt enforcement and often break deadlocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.